Forest Department conducts eviction inside Longboard Reserve Forest area. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. I'm Jirbon Kilingpi, bringing you the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. Continuing with the effort to prevent encroachment of forest area, the Marat Longri Northern Range carried out eviction inside Longboard Reserve Forest area, falling under the Phonglokpet area here on Saturday. The eviction drive was led by the West Division Northern Range Forest Department, ACF Harinat Ronghang. The eviction drive, which began since May, was continued on Saturday, during which illegal structures were demolished by the forest personnel. During the day, the forest personnel also recovered bows, local handmade guns, and several other weapons which are used for hunting wild animals. ACF Ronghang told that no encroachers were found at the site, nor anyone were arrested in connection with encroachment of the forest area.
আজি উচ্ছেদ অভিযানটো আমাৰ মাৰাট লংৰি ৱাইল্ড লাইফ চেঞ্চুৰী অন্তৰ্গত লংবুই নামৰ এলেকাত লোৱা হৈছে। অবৈধভাৱে বনাঞ্চলত বসবাস কৰি থকা মানুহক উচ্ছেদ কৰাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত বৰ্তমান অসম চৰকাৰ তথা কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা পৰিষদ খুব কঠোৰ পদক্ষেপ লৈছে। এই কাৰণে আমি বিভিন্ন সময়ত আমি মে মাহৰ পৰাই বিভিন্ন সময়ত আমি সিৰিজ অফ eviction operation carried out কৰিছো। মোৰ ৰেঞ্জতে এতিয়ালৈকে দুবাৰ হ'ল, যোৱা 29 তাৰিখে একবাৰ আৰু আজি আমাৰ এতিয়ালৈকে 45 ঘৰৰ ওপৰ আমি মানুহক ঘৰ ডিমলিছ কৰিব সক্ষম হৈছো আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ কবলৰ পৰা নট লেছ দেন 10 হেক্টৰ ভূমি আমি মানে এনক্ৰোচমেন্ট মুক্ত কৰিবৰ কাৰণে চেষ্টা কৰা হৈছে।
আৰু কিবা আপত্তিজনক কিবা উদ্ধাৰ হৈছে নে?
আপত্তিজনক নথিপত্ৰ ইনষ্ট্ৰুমেন্ট ভিতৰত তেওঁলোকৰ ঘৰ ধ্বংসস্তূপৰ পৰা আমি কিছুমান জীৱ জন্তু হত্যা কৰা, কেপচাৰ কৰা, যেনে ধনু কাৰ, এভেন হেণ্ডমেড সিঙ্গল বাৰেল বন্ধুকো আমি উদ্ধাৰ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছোঁ। কিন্তু আমি খবৰ কেনেবাকৈ তেওঁলোকে পালে আৰু তেওঁলোকে ঘৰ বাৰী এৰি মাত্ৰ মহিলা সদস্যজনক ৰাখি পেলাই কোনোবাফালে তেওঁলোকে সেই স্থান ত্যাগ কৰে এনেকুৱা। আৰু এইটো আমাৰ অভিযানটো যেতিয়ালৈকে আমি সিহঁতক যেটো কমপ্লিট কৰিব নোৱাৰো এভিকশন মানে মোৰ ৰেঞ্জৰ আন্ডাৰত তেতিয়ালৈকে এটা চলিয়ে থাকিব টিল কমপ্লিশন অফ দিস প্ৰসেস। হেতুৱে
Based on Terang's report from Wolongkomaji for Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another fateful day, one person was killed in a horrific road mishap which took place on Sunday morning. One bike was hit by a 1109 model truck, killing the biker on the spot. The incident took place at around 10 a.m. in Rongpimplam on the National Highway 36 under the Dilai police station when one truck bearing registration number NL02Q6723 heading towards Guwahati hit a bike from the back. The deceased was identified as 43-year-old Gopal Chetri of Koilajan Dilai, an employee of the Koilajan post office. He was on his way to pay a visit to his relatives in Dipu. Unfortunately, he met with horrific death, leaving behind his wife and 4 children. Onlookers told media persons that the truck was moving at a very high speed, due to which the driver lost his control on the wheels and hit the bike. After that, the truck also smashed the railing of the bridge and fell on the river below. The driver also sustained injuries and was sent for treatment immediately. Dilai police reached the spot to take stock of the situation. Vijay Rompi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Social Welfare EM Kache Rompipi had on Sunday made a visit to Hamren to assess the site for construction of proposed ICDS office at Ambinom Hamren. The office would serve as a main institution with the task of looking after all ICDS works in the entire West Karbi Anglong district. During the visit, EM Kache Rompipi was accompanied by MLA and MAC Rup Singh Teron and nominated MAC Chandra Chetri, Social Worker Lipson Bay, Border Development Board Chairman Richardson Hanse, HTC Vice Chairman Het Singh Romphar, CDPO Korobi Kropi, Helen Terangpi from Dipu Social Welfare Office and several others BJP members. Talking to Karbi Anglong Live, EM Kache Rompipi informed that the ICDS already has a 5 bighas plot of land at Ambinom, so accordingly the proposal had been made to set the head office here. During the day, officials from the Revenue Office were called to provide accurate measurement of the plot and also to demarcate the boundary. A boundary wall will be constructed before the main building. She also informed that more offices will be set up in the main towns of the district which do not have proper ICDS building. She also urged upon all the ICDS workers to perform the duties sincerely. MLA Rup Singh Teron also urged the local people to cooperate with the authority and not to create any hindrance in the construction work.
District office ki kimpo. District office. Tapi kimpo la solong le pharmacy aprang ali dikui pela dak. ICDS kan kapanong tangalong le do sidi ko so kan CYC. Solong le bang aprang ICDS hem de kim lo. Ta panan ni bang ke office bang function lo kita pan un de lo non ke district office ki do yi aprang si da solong le long putot department pen ki kim dai aprang si da solong le ki ngala. Jadi kita coba lo kedua lo, lepas non pun kita sih di Parman, so Parman department pen bandri bal pen sampai ke development pada anak pelangku, kita kedua Arab asal kita yang kita dulu, orang kita kerana cik baik, kita cikro lo pen kita mondok dulu bangsi, kuncen, along di sini bangkai di tundak panong pen sedai kanu.
Olah sabang lam theke la pohen lo je ni tu ni proposal pia lo. Ta proposal pia sita me tak pen sanction nang le sanction nang le da join ne man tu kin mang le lo. Aku la si non peneng man to non preparation kuribom lo. Je la social welfare department law ICDS project mukha. Mane ni mikha chilang no da. La si non la hai ni tu estimate aku estimate aku pitu ko. La hai ke ba dia pa tu mako chiki bom.
La bene son tlang mem la son si manela ICDS asa hem ke dolong benana chukomar tum mi thanga sai cheklem kli la son sta mi theklo la bang so puthak nang li pipuji
la bang so puthak bang ke non bang ke COVID-19 do kok sta non apha bang ke klem ke bang ni ta theklo pu sta non bang ke upai velo non bang ke government pe strict pe se government pe strict pe ga jok non bang ke thang kam cheklem lo seta non bang ke COVID-19 do kok masih hedi la bahira sikam bom ta kam bang di doping ma cheklem bom
tang ne pinin tak nang ko homria long pen la bang so non la bak la dak ICDS hem ki kim kerang ponji ke men tu men sinal tum sai deng pon po
ni litung bang non prabjin pe la department hai la so boundary wala bang non prabjin pe dia patse la hai ta non tu
Daniel Linghi from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. Those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.